You in there, Mr. Finch?
He is, and he's asleep. Don't wake him up.
The heck he is!
You know what we want, Mr. Finch. Get aside from the door.
Indeed? Why so?
Atticus!
Go home, Jim. Take Scout home. Son, I said go home.
I'll send him home.
Don't you touch him!
That'll do, Scout. Don't kick folks.
Ain't nobody gonna do Jem that way.
Listen here, Mr. Finch. You got 15 seconds to get your kids out of here, or else.
Hey, Mr. Cunningham. Hey, Mr. Cunningham. How's your entailment? Remember me, Mr. Cunningham? I'm Jamie Liz Finch. You told Mr. Cunningham that entailments were bad, but you said not to worry. Sometimes. That we'd all ride it out together. Hey, Mr. Cunningham. I go to school with your boy Walter. Tell him I say hey, okay?
I'll tell them you said hey, little lady. Fellas, let's clear out.
Is they gone, Atticus?
They've gone. Get some sleep, Tom. They won't bother you anymore.